Now we got something different. Can you guess what it is? Hey everyone, if you've been watching the Brute Force series, you'll know that I'm done with that. I gave up on it. And now we got something different. Can you guess what it is? I can't even guess what it is. Let's have a look and see what I got. All right, drum roll. Are you still guessing? All right, no more old junk. We decided to go with the brand new design for 2023, the Outlander Pro HD7, which is what they call the 700. They have an HD5 and an HD7. Basically, they're both 650 engines, but the HD7 has different cams and a different tune, but you can't take the HD5 and make it into an HD7. They made it so that you can't do that. So it's a work machine first, trail machine second. Figured I'd give it a try. It looks really good. I haven't heard anything bad about it yet. It's the base model. Got the 12-inch rims. I'm going to put different tires on it. Got to put a winch on it. It has, if I can do this with one hand, not really. Yeah, it has storage up front. Supposed to be watertight. Got the seal around here. It's got the link, two link attachments on the rack. The side panels just come out with one attachment now. They clip in. And you got one attachment, and we got an open back storage with the two link. You can put the link accessory mounts in here, crank them on, and you got an open back. I haven't looked through this thing. I don't know what to expect. That's obviously the battery. Got the single cylinder Rotax engine. Not even sure where the air filter is on this thing. We'll find that out. This is storage also. Watertight supposedly. It's got the rubber gasket. It has the Pro has the beefier bumper, which I wanted on the front end because I do a lot of tree crashing and whatnot. It's got the welded on corners now, not like the 216, 17, 18, 19. All the aluminum corner or the plastic corners, but you can get the aluminum corners from Farrow ATV. Sitting on this thing, the seat is really cushy. Hopefully that doesn't turn into a bad thing. It's supposed to have a redesigned tranny, so you're not fighting with the gears anymore, like the old Can-Ams. That's the display. Got a full tank of gas. I picked this up in town from Halfway Motors from Matthew. Reverse override. It doesn't have the DPS. I'm pretty sure that's just for the XU. The next model up on this one, the XU had it. But I'm going to pull her off the trailer. Nice and open here, how I like it. You can get at stuff and you can see stuff, wash it easier. Like I said, the side panels come off in one. Just like that. There's the clutch side. That makes it pretty easy, although I'm not real sure how this is gonna go. This is what the whole thing hinges on, mounts on. That clip right there, which is to the fender, but it should last. I can't see it breaking. We'll have to see how that goes. So that's the new machine. I got a few little things I got to put on it. Like I said, I got a new winch for it. Got some hand guards. Got some heated grips, which are still on order. Steve from Farrow ATV, Can-Am corners, used to supply me with the corners. He has a prototype rack that's supposed to fit on here, either on the front or the rear. It goes on top, and it utilizes the link system, and it supposedly hinges up so you can undo the two links, pick it up, and still get at your storage here. Same thing on the back here. I'll have to see when I get them. I'll be obviously doing some testing with that. That'll be pretty cool. I think it's tan, like this one, desert tan. So that's where we're at. There's definitely going to be some ATVing. I've been wanting to get out on the trails for a while, so this should be just the item. I'm going to try and put the plow on it. We'll do some winter plowing. Do some other work with it since it is a work machine first. But I hope you like it, and I hope I like it. I thought it looked like a pretty cool machine. It's price-wise, it's comparable to the C-Force Moto one. So I stuck with Can-Am since I've had Can-Am products Up until my brute, of course. But anyways, that's what I bought.